Hi, and welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today I have a real quick walkthrough of this journal that I've finished for Mother's Day. It is 11 inches tall by 4 1/4, 76 pages counting front and back. It is a soft cover. It had stitching on it with bookmarks. And like I said, it is a Mother's Day journal. The digital is by Samantha at Beauty and Books. So what I'm going to do, I guess, is just sit this out on the side. This is just, well, I'm going to put them back in. It is a wonky pocket that I made. There's a video on the wonky pockets. I think it went up last night. And this is a beautiful saying here with jewels and lace. Right here you've got like a journaling spot. Fits back in there. This is another little journaling spot with some plant information. The grandparents, grandmothers, I think. Little baby. A mother is the salt of the earth. A mother is the first teacher at birth. A mother is that stone that will melt. A mother is in a class by herself. A mother is that tear that never shows. A mother is that love that overflows. A mother is the base where we all run. A mother is the warmth of the sun. A mother is tried and true. A mother is that special you. I can say that about my mom. So right here, this is a envelope that's been altered. Got a journaling card inside. This is just for decoration. There are coffee dyed sheets in here with lace that's sewn on. Look at that beautiful baby. So these are little cluster envelopes that I made. And there was one video that I made recently. I was showing Little Debbie's cake box, and I got this one and another one of these off the back of the box. And I thought, well, those go in there really well. I'm just going to stick them in there. So they got breakfast. Over here, there's a belly band. 24-hour slaw. I had it. I don't know where it comes from. 2 journaling cards. There's some more recipes over here. So on this side you have a journaling card, and I did leave the strings on these this time. And there's another journaling card. So if you see strings hanging out, I normally don't, but I left them this time. So here is a flip out journaling page. This is tissue paper that I put some cardstock on the back, and I thought it was really pretty, and it just was there. You have the family tree. You could put your family's pictures in there if you wanted. Over here, there's some journaling cards. This one has some notebook paper. I really like these two. I made them from some die cuts that I did on my Sizzix. So these two were die cuts. And I put the little family on the bottom, which went really well with this. I already had that pocket made, and I decided it would go really good in here. So this back right there, you can go all the way back. Then there's a pocket right here. There's a pocket right there. And then there's this pocket. So you've got 4 pockets. This is handmade paper. This has got some beautiful pinks on it. And this green. This is a beautiful picture too. So here I did a belly band, and I took just some of the scraps of paper that I had here and put them on here. And I used the back of a paperback book for it, and I just folded that over and stitched it across and trimmed it up to fit. I really like that. That's a good way to get rid of scraps. So right here you have a Mother's Prayer Catholic prayer card. I love these purples. You all know I like purple. So here I took some Tim Holtz fabric tape. I don't see it. But I made this a flip with a journaling card to go out. This here is just a little journaling spot. This all just matched so good. I thought it looked really nice. So I got this paper. It is actually embossed. Got it in a swap, and I thought it went really well in here, so I put it in here. This is your center page. I decided on the heart because it's always the mother's heart that plays the important role in everything. I mean, it just, to me, it does. I put some little diamonds on it. So I've not decorated this a lot. I mean, I have, but I haven't, because I have this whole bag of ephemera to go with it. I just didn't want it so stuffed that it wouldn't close. So right here is another one of those pockets, the three-layer pockets. I think I closed the top one of that one, so can't quite get in, can't make 4 out of this one this time. And I just took these little scraps and put them in here for little journaling cards. Where I'm getting, this way I think I had it. So you got all those little journaling cards to go with it. So here is another page cluster pocket that I did. I think it will be tomorrow night. This is one of the little journaling cards that Samantha had in there. I just took and put a little piece of paper for a journaling spot. I had this, so I just stuck it on the back, and it fit perfectly right in there. Some more, well, the other side of that handmade paper. This, I really had fun making it. I want to make some more. It's just some some grid paper. These colors just, like I said, they went good with this particular journal. Here's a messy pocket, and instead of putting the opening up top, I'm going to put it on the side, and it's just a cute little journaling card that fits in there. Here's the other side of that wrapped in paper. Got a sheet of vellum. These are all journaling cards. A great big long tag, skinny long tag. So this one, I just did a tuck on this side. That way this would fit in without any problems. And then it has the 3 pockets. So there's one there. There's one right here. And there's that one there. And this, I embossed it last year. I think I was making a cookbook journal because I had the food. I thought the colors went good in here and the butterflies. So I stuck it in. I love this page, how the orange just seems to pull it together on all of it. This was really pretty. So over here, just some more tags and journaling spots. I had a little fairy. I stuck her on there because I thought, you know, she kind of looked like she might belong right there on that page with her little wings and butterfly wings. So here's that other Little Debbie's card, and another journaling card, a messy pocket. So this has a lot of journaling space. This is just a piece. This was the other little piece of the envelope, and I added paper here, and then I put this as a flap. Then this is a journaling card. I'm undecided to go ahead and glue this down. I had a little piece of accordion paper that I stuck that on there with. Look at these. The colors are just beautiful. This tag, it just goes right there. So on the back here, I have a little flip. It has ephemera in it. And I do have a video on this. I'm trying to remember what it was called. What I did was I put grommets in the back of the journal so you can actually take this out. I'm not going to take it out right now, but you can take it out and put something else there, or you could put a notepad behind it or something. So it just completely comes out. So then you can see the back, it went pretty good right there in the middle. I have the bookends or book corners on it. Like I said, it's 11 by 4 1/4 with 76 pages. I have not counted pockets and tucks and all. There's a lot of them. And then I also do have all of this that goes with it. So there's more. I even threw a shoe in there. I had a suitcase with that, like a Mother's Day Cinderella shoe. So I hope you enjoyed this little preview. I will probably get it up in my shop in the next couple of days. If you're interested, just send me a quick email. I will link my email in the description below. And I did have this actually go around twice. I'm going to tell you, it was kind of short. Maybe it will go this time. There you go. I was going to put a topper on it, but then I thought that would just mess up this pretty page. And I really like the girl and the quote on it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll leave me a comment what you think, what you're doing for your mom for Mother's Day. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.